Slow coach driver. This is 40 miles per hour. He's driving 25 miles per hour. Oh my God.
Yeah, we've got him.
Oh
I
my,
don't know if it's a man or a woman.
Yeah. Slow coach. Oh, it's braking. What did you braking for?
For the humps.
Oh, slow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Slow coach. L19 RML. Oh, L19 RML. It's just daydreaming, eh? Vauxhall. Oh, Vauxhall. L19 RML. Look at that. Look at slow coach. Oh yeah, it's getting faster now. Thank God for that.